Now, into the southeast, we are going to be watching for shower and thunderstorm chances to come back into the day tomorrow. So got to watch for the risk of severe storms. And I know Friday night football is starting to really take over tomorrow. Got to watch a lot of the southern states for opportunities. Now into tonight, it is parts of Arkansas. It's parts of Mississippi and Alabama, northern parts of these states into western North Carolina, central and eastern North Carolina, parts of the upstate of South Carolina, western North Carolina, a little bit more isolated risk for you. You can see all the warnings out there. Again, storms working from parts of southern Arkansas into or closer to the Mississippi River area. Mississippi, you've got plenty of warnings, including in the southern part of the state. And then we've seen some heavy rain and thunderstorm activity into North Florida as well. We take a look at the Jacksonville area. It is Duval County under the warning until 6:45 local. So Jacksonville area, especially the east side of town, getting in on some of those very heavy downpours. The severe risk would be the gusty winds. South of Monroeville, same story here. Gusty winds along with very, very heavy rain. Between Mobile and Biloxi, we've got a severe warning there. South of Meridian, watching warnings. And again, areas around and south of Tupelo. It's been another hot and humid day across sections of the south. That is helping to fuel these thunderstorms. So last 3 hours, we've seen plenty of available energy present, and that is helping to keep the thunderstorms going. They are very typical. Most of these producing a lot of lightning and also producing heavy downpours. Some have reached severe criteria. As we make our way through the later evening hours, you can see things start to fizzle farther to the south, but our complex across North Alabama into Tennessee, that keeps going into the late evening and overnight hours. So could we see some storms into the Atlanta area very early tomorrow morning? I think so. Morning commute time, things starting to wind down. Maybe a few leftover rain showers, though, for the ATL. And let's go back to that. This is tomorrow's risk. Again, Friday night football games across southern parts of Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia. These would be areas most at risk for seeing some of the frequent lightning and heavy downpours that'll have folks clearing the stands. Also have to watch, Mike, parts of Virginia, North and South Carolina yet again.
All right, we're going to talk a lot about severe weather tonight.
Let's switch gears, talk about something else that's had us keeping an eye on it all week long. It is now Tropical Depression 2C. So we've seen this become a tropical depression, 35-mile-per-hour winds. There's been a lot of questions with this. Will it, won't it make another close pass to Hawaii, or could it make a landfall on Hawaii? And Dr. Knapp, the models, they've been going back and forth. At first, earlier in the week, we thought we were likely staying to the south. Then yesterday, more of a northern push. At this point, it looks like we're trending back southward.
Yeah, there's still